There's mowing going on in the background. I'm gonna have to yell the whole video.
What if I...
Oh my god, you're a genius! Hey everyone! So today for this week's video, I decided that I would do I listened to only the voice of a makeup tutorial, and I have to copy the makeup tutorial. And yeah, my sister is off camera over here.
Hi.
So yeah, she picked the makeup tutorial, and I've got my computer here. If I'm looking this way, I'm just playing and pausing it because she's made like the window really small. I'll take a photo so you'll be able to see. And so I can't see the person's face at all. All I can see is the play and pause button. I've got to dampen this. Can you please go dampen it? If you would like to see how this turns out, then make sure to just keep on watching. Da, 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 da. Oh my gosh, whoops! Yeah, I just squeezed my sponge onto the floor so all the water dripped everywhere. Let's begin. How do you think I'm gonna do?
Okay.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you this pink halo eye. What is it? Is it spotlight eye? Yeah, something like that. With a nude lip.
Nude lip?
So yeah, if you want to learn how to do it, let's get started.
That sounds
so
like
I'm going to start with my Nostalgia the Bright Pomade, surprise, surprise, in dark brown, and then I'm going to be using my Pretty Vulgar double-sided brush for my eyebrows because it's so thin, it's so good. Okay, so I like to start off by brushing my eyebrows so they are in the right place.
Okay, brushing.
I like to outline them first.
Outline them first.
So I know how to diagnose.
Okay, stop. So I outlined it and I accidentally started filling it in.
Like my eyebrows just really, really crisp, with a really sharp edge, and then I just fill them in. Then I'm going to carve out my eyebrows with two brushes. One is from the Makeup Shack and one is from Tarte. And then I'm going to use my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer.
Okay, that'll do for my eyebrows now.
Then I'm going to use the fluffy brush to kind of blend everything out and evenly spread all the concealer throughout my eyelid. It's with this Makeup Shack brush and my Laura Mercier powder in translucent.
I think she's setting the eyelid.
We're set and ready. I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush. It's a little bit dense, so that helps you pack on product. And I'm going to use that pink color from the 35B palette from Morphe and just pack it on my crease with tapping motion because that packs on the most product.
Okay, pause.
And the edges with a fluffier brush, a clean fluffier brush.
Clean fluffy brush. Blending the edges with a clean fluffy brush. So I blended the edges.
On and blending it, packing it and blending it. I'm going to be going back and forth with those two brushes. Then I'm going to take that little purple color from the 35B palette again.
Purple?
And I'm going to put that in the outer edge.
Purple?
That little purple color from the 35B palette again. And I'm going to put that in the outer edge of my eyes, the outer and inner edge of my eyes, so it kind of deepens the look. So I'm going to pack that on with the dense brush and again blend it into the lighter pink on top.
Okay, so I assume the purple's a bit dark, so I'm going to mix it with a black. So outer and inner.
And then I'm going with the Slay by Casey palette, and I'm going to use that beautiful wine shade.
Wine.
And again, doing the same thing to just deepen the look.
Wine? So what's a wine shade?
I think it's already brown.
Ready purple, I think. So I'm going to mix this purple with a reddish kind of color. And then, yeah, I'll just put it on top.
I'm just kind of creating a spotlight eye, which is just you make the center of your eyelid lighter, but make sure the top has a crisp edge to it.
I'm a bit confused. I'm gonna just guess that she's putting the purple across the top. That was terrible. Oh no, what have I done? Oh my god!
Then I'm taking this little pencil brush and blending the edges of the concealer with the shadow.
She did use concealer!
Concealer.
Concealer. Oh my god, I messed it up. I wasn't meant to put the purple across the top. That's meant to be pink. I'm just gonna have to try and put some more pink there. Oh man. Oh gosh, this looks really bad. Okay, what she actually was doing was cutting it out, wasn't it?
And then I'm taking this flat brush with a color pop on the cusp super sharp cheek thingy. This is so pretty. It's like a highlighter, but it's like a cream highlighter. It's so good. It's my favorite ever. So I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye or just put the concealer.
Okay, so I'm just going to use my highlighter for. Alrighty, that's how my eyes looking so far.
And then I'm going to go with this Vioce London eyeliner and just line my upper lash line to just kind of like make my eyelashes blend in. I'm not doing the wing.
Eyelashes blend in. Let me show you the eyelashes on. I really don't want to do eyeliner. So I'm just going to do like a eyeshadow eyeliner. Okay, so something just like that. Now I'm going to do my other eye and put mascara on because she said she already had like eyelashes, which I'm assuming is false eyelashes, and I don't have any of them. So I'm going to just put mascara on instead. So I'm going to do the other eye, put mascara on, and I'll be back.
Okay, so we're done. Let's move on to the face.
Face.
I'm going to start with my Laura Mercier. And I'm just going to put that on right against my face, sort of.
Okay.
Yeah, because then I mix this
Keep going. I didn't say this.
foundation with the L'Oreal Infallible one because it's like, I'm like in between shades. So mixing them, it just makes my perfect color.
Okay, stop. She said something about foundation, so I'm going to put foundation on.
What did this have in it?
I don't know what she used to blend it in, but I prefer to use a sponge, so I'm just going to do that. Okay.
And I'm going in with my Tarte Shade 2
Oh, pause it.
concealer and putting it in the high.
Going with Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm going to, what I like to do is use this one because it's kind of too pinky and it kind of colour corrects, so we use that first. Under my eye. Now I'm going to put the Tarte Shape Tape for any extra coverage. So I've got this pimple here, I'm going to put some on there. And then I'm also going to put some right in like where the crease of your eye bag is.
And then I'm just going to bake with my La Mercier powder. Whenever I bake, I like for my sponge to be wet because that just kind of like makes the powder like soak into your skin. Again, this powder is translucent, so it doesn't add any extra coverage, so don't mind me using it a lot. And then I just spread it for the rest of my face. I like to have my face powdered because I know that my makeup is not gonna come on.
Okay.
And I'm going to use another makeup shack brush to contour. And I'm going to use the Becca Be Light palette. This palette is so pretty. I'm going to be, oh there's me. I'm going to be using that bronzing shade. So this bronzer has like that shimmer to it, which I thought I would never like, but it just makes you.
Wait, so she said contour and bronzer. So I'll contour first. Okay, then she said she did her nose. So that's what I'm going to do.
And then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to use that same palette. I'm going to use the Plush in it.
Blush.
It's so pretty. I absolutely love that palette.
Okay, blush. I'm going to be using this one.
My ColourPop highlighter and my Morphe highlighting brush. Look how pretty that is. This highlighter is kind of like cream, but it's super easy to work with. It's so pretty. Then I'm going to take the first pink that we used and put it on my lower lash line. Black Extended Play Lash Mascara. This mascara is perfect for lower lashes because the wand is just tiny, tiny, tiny.
Okay, lower lash mascara.
I'm going to use this Ratchet ColourPop lip liner. You can literally tell it's my favorite ever. I literally use it every single time I do my makeup. It's so pretty.
I think at the start
Then I'm going to go in with...
she said nude lips. I'm just going to use my nude lipstick and put that on. Alrighty, so I did my nude lip, but it's kind of, I assume hers is more brown. And this is kind of pinky peachy and doesn't really go very well. But yeah, that's all I had. Because I don't really have a brown nude. So this is what it looks like compared to her. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video anyway. Maybe it was entertaining, maybe it wasn't, maybe it was boring, but who knows. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload, which is every Saturday. And if I miss a Saturday, I'll upload somewhere in the week. And don't forget to go like this photo of this makeup look I did on Instagram and comment what you thought. Whether you thought I did a good job or something. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Oh, and also, by the way, the person whose tutorial it was will be linked down below.